you could drag and drop your most used apps to the front page. And of course, your backup camera will work as normal. What's up guys, it's Eric from B-Side. Today I want to introduce you guys a new product. It's our Apple CarPlay Android Auto retrofit for the 2010 to 2013 Lexus GX460 with factory navigation. Before we only had the 2014 all the way to 2021 application, and then we wanted to also add the 2010 to 2013 application based on all the inquiries and interest that we got from the community. And I'll go ahead and do a very thorough demonstration on this product. So on this vehicle, we have installed it, and as you can see here, everything looks factory and all the factory functions will remain except for the factory USB function. Unfortunately, the factory USB and the factory aux function is going to be disabled, and it's going to be replaced with the Apple CarPlay Android Auto interface. So currently we see the USB menu. So there's two ways to go in and activate this CarPlay. First is if you're already in the USB menu, you go ahead and press the play button, and it'll take you in. This is the CarPlay menu. To get out, you could press any of these buttons like audio, and it'll take you back to the factory screen. And to go back in, once again, just press that play button. Or you can go out to like radio and then go back to your radio. And if you click the USB, it'll switch over to this screen. And by the way, this is wired. This is the Android phone that is connected to. You can also do a wired Android Auto Apple CarPlay as well. In order to do that, you will want to connect the USB to Type-C or the USB to Lightning to this device. And for this specific vehicle, we have a flush mount USB that we installed in place of the factory USB. This is not necessary, but if you want the clean look, go ahead and do so. You just go ahead and head out to Amazon and purchase one of these USB flush mounts. And that was in place of this. So we removed this and we installed the USB flush mount. What you're seeing is the Android Auto, and all the Android Auto compatible application will automatically show up depending on what you have downloaded on your phone. So I'm going to give you a little bit of an example. This is a Google Maps. The screen hardware unfortunately does not support swiping motion, so it's all going to be just tap in. The steering wheel controls will continue to work. The up seat will go to the next track. The bottom seat will go to the previous track. And then the volume controls will work. And the volume change will show up on the screen as you see over here. You can also use this. And if you want to go back to your factory screen, once again, you can press any of these buttons. So audio works. Go back in. Climate control will take you out as well. You can go back to press the audio, press the play button, press the setup button. They'll also take you back. So all of these will work. Even all these as well. The map, destination. Yes, so all that will take you back. The steering wheel controls to pick up and hang up phone calls will also work. So if you want, so I'm making a phone call, and I could go ahead and hang up. And then if I call this phone, I can also pick up here, and then also hang up. Let me also show you the night mode feature. So you turn on your headlights. It's dark outside. Block this. And it'll switch it over to night mode. All right, now let me go ahead and jump into the CarPlay. So I'm going to go ahead and disconnect my Android phone by turning off my Wi-Fi and my Bluetooth. Okay, I'm going to grab my phone, go to CarPlay. There it is. NV17W, we're going to pair this, and we are going to allow. You just need to do this setup once. Once you have it set up, the device will automatically connect to your phone and load the appropriate Android Auto or Apple CarPlay depending on your phone whenever you turn on your car. And then here is the CarPlay system. And the same for Android Auto. Any apps that are compatible with Apple CarPlay will automatically show up on this app. Okay, and then once again, if you want to make a phone call, okay, hang up works. And then go play a music. Volume up, volume down, volume up, volume down, track up, track down. Okay, another function that you can also do is if you have a name pre-selected here and you press this phone button, then it also makes the phone call as well. And if you want to summon Siri, What's the weather, Siri?
It's currently cloudy and 75 degrees. Temperature.
Okay. And let me show you night mode. There it is. Okay, so once again, unfortunately, the screen hardware doesn't support the swiping action. If you have an iPhone, sometimes it could be tricky pushing on these little buttons here. I recommend you reorder your apps from your phone by going to NV17W Wi-Fi Customize. You could drag and drop your most used apps to the front page, like so. And of course, your backup camera will work as normal. All right, guys, well, this concludes our demonstration of our CarPlay and Android Auto retrofit for the 2010 to 2013 Lexus GX460. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, or you can email us at info@usa.com. This product is going to be ready soon. So if you'd like to be on the wait list, please also email us and then we'll get you on the list. So you'll be one of the first ones to be notified when the product is released. Thank you very much for watching. And if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe and like our video. Thank you very much.